All right, today is the day. We got two iPad Air 5s here to unbox. This one is the Starlight, and this one is the Blue. So as we can see, the packaging is quite interesting. On the Starlight, they do have the nice little Starlight color on the writing, the Apple logo. And on the Blue, same thing, they have the blue color on the writing. So let's get going. So I'm going to start with this guy right here. And away, and we'll open the box. And here we go. There's our new iPad. Before we get to this, let's just see what comes inside. So we have an adapter, and we have a USB-C cable. There we go. Here's the iPad, and this is no longer comes in plastic. This is more of a paper type of thing here. Okay, this is the Blue. Beautiful iPad. Absolutely beautiful. Now, I'm going to compare this iPad to a previous iPad generation. So right here, all right, we'll be comparing these two iPads together. This is an iPad 3, and as you can see, the charging ports are on the back. It does have a camera. And one thing that it does have is this headphone jack. Now, on the new iPad 5, it has the USB-C and charging ports on the back, but there is no more headphone jack. And I think that actually went away on the iPad 4, but I never got my hands on the iPad 4, so I don't know. So in order to move that, you'll need to get one of these guys right here, which is a USB-C to headphone jack if you need a wired headphones. And this is $9 from Apple, so great. Just for this little guy right here, and that plugs in right over here. And you got your little headphone jack this way. So that takes care of the Blue. Let's move this out of the way. And let's go ahead and open up this Starlight, which is really cool name. So we'll do this. And we'll pop this guy open. And again, same thing. Flip this guy upside down. Wow, I really like this color. Look at this guy. This is beautiful. It's kind of a silvery, but it has a little bit of brown undertones. Really, really nice. So here are the two colors. Next to each other. And we have a bonus unboxing, I should say. And we got a couple of iPad keyboards as well to go with it in white. So we'll pop those babies out right now. So there we go. We'll do it this way. And these still come in the plasticky type of cover. And absolutely gorgeous. And then go ahead and pop this first guy off. And there you have it. And let's see what the blue one looks like. So here's the blue one. Absolutely beautiful. Both of these look fantastic. It looks like I kind of booted this guy up too, so they absolutely look fantastic. And that's the unboxing. Thank you, everybody.